Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between TradingView or TrendSpider. And before starting this video, I want to tell you two things, because the first thing is I won't tell you which application is better, I will tell you which application fits you the best. And the second thing is I made more than 1000 videos about crypto brokers, crypto settings, and I will tell you with my experiences on both applications which application fits you the best. So let's start right here on our left with TradingView. And the main focus on TradingView is charting and to do technical analysis. If you look right here on the right to TrendSpider, the main focus is automated market analysis. If we look to the best for, and with that I mean TradingView is the best for traders and chartists. And if you look right here to TrendSpider, TrendSpider is the best for traders seeking automation. The trading tools on TradingView are the best in my opinion because they have a industry-leading charts. If I'm telling you the honest about TradingView, TradingView has the best analysis software and tools worldwide. I can't tell something better about that because that is just a fact. And if you look right into TrendSpider, TrendSpider has a more AI-powered analysis tools, so you can decide from that which one you want to pick. And if you look to the interface, TradingView is more modern and intuitive. And if you look to TrendSpider, that is more future rich. The fees and trading costs on TradingView are lower subscription costs, where on TrendSpider it has a little bit higher subscription costs. So if you're asking me, TradingView is more for charting, alerts and technical analysis, and TrendSpider is more for automated scans, pattern recognition and strategy discovery. So hopefully after this video you know exactly right now which application you need to pick. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.